Good morning, my dear children. So you all are welcome to the EVS class today. And teacher told you, as promised yesterday, teacher is going to show you something today. Yes or no? So we are learning the chapter Trees Around Us. Yes, and my name is Jigna Damani. So in the last class, we studied about the different types of trees. Yes or no? Teacher told you about trees, shrubs, then creepers, climbers. There were different types like thorny plants, water plants. So all these types of plants we studied yesterday. Then we also studied the different parts of a plant or a tree. Yes, so we are going to revise that today and we are going to learn something new also. So now plant hai, and suppose we take our own example. Okay, we all grow. हम सब बड़े होते हैं and we need different things to grow. Yes, we need food, we need love, we need water, we have energy from the sun. Yes, तो ये सब चीज़ें हमें भी चाहिए ग्रो होने के लिए. अगर हम खाना नहीं खाएंगे, पानी नहीं पिएंगे, हेल्दी एक्सरसाइजेज नहीं करेंगे, अगर हमें कोई प्यार नहीं करेगा, तो will we grow properly? No, we won't. We will not grow properly. So let's study the things what plant needs to grow. Okay. The first thing is soil. Soil मतलब मट्टी. अगर soil नहीं है तो we cannot grow the plant because the second thing we need is the seed. Okay, seed. तो seed हमें soil में डालना पड़ता है. हमारे पास अगर seed है तो we will take the seeds and we will put it in the soil and then daily we are going to water it. ये अगर soil में हम लोग ने seed डाला, but if we are not putting water, we are not taking care of it, it will not grow. Okay, so plant needs soil, seed, water. Then the plant will need sunlight. If no sunlight, plant cannot grow because of the sunlight only the plant can make its own food. The leaves grow, new leaves come because of the sunlight. And the air is also very, very important for a plant to grow. So these are the things which plant needs to grow: soil, seeds, water, air and sunlight. अगर एक भी चीज नहीं है इसमें से, the plant will not grow properly. Okay, the plant will be very weak and in few days the plant will die. The plant will not grow properly. Then next we will be studying about parts of the plant. Okay, so this is a basic plant. Teacher will teach you more in detail. So we have the roots, yes, which are under the ground. These are the roots which are under the ground. Then we have the stem, we have leaf, then we have the flower. Okay, so now let us see something in detail. Yeah, see here. These are the roots which are under the ground. Then the stem grows properly. This is the form. This is the stem. This is the main body of the plant. Then these are the branches. ये एक, this is the second, third, fourth. ये सब उनकी branches है. Okay, the plant branches are a little bit weak than the tree branches. Then on the branches we have the leaves. Then first the flower grows और यही flower फिर fruit या फिर vegetable में convert हो जाएगा. Okay, but if it is only a flowering plant, अगर rose है, shoe flower है, तो it will be only that particular flower. But कोई भी fruit and vegetable grow होने से पहले भी flower में से ही वो grow होता है. So let us see in detail. So these are the roots. Then we have the stem which is above the ground, the main body of the plant. Then we have the branches. And on the branches we have the leaves. Now we will see the different types of leaves. See now all the plants, most of all the plants and trees, they have leaves. And these leaves are of different shapes and sizes. Some of them have big leaves. Some of them have small leaves. Some of them have very, very small grass-like leaves. And some leaves we can eat also. So here you can see in the picture there is a palm leaf, the banana leaf, the coriander, the grape leaf, the peepal, the mango and the lotus plant leaf. Yes, these are the different types of leaves what we have. हर एक plant and हर एक tree में same leaf नहीं होता. Now same like us also. आपका और मेरा face same है? नहीं. मम्मी डैडी अंकल आंटी जो अभी आपके फैमिली मेंबर है, डज एवरीबडी हैव अ सिमिलर काइंड ऑफ फेस? सी सबके पास आईज नोज माउथ सबके पास है, तो ऐसे यहाँ पे भी सबके पास they have stem, they have roots, they have leaves, they have branches, but they all are different. Okay, if it is a rose plant तो उसमें rose ही आएगा. If it is a banana plant, the banana will only grow on a banana plant. Okay, if you see mango plant तो उसमें apples नहीं होंगे. Yes or no? So each and every plant is also different, and the shape of all the leaves are also different. Now we all have eyes, yes, but somebody they have black eyes, some have brown eyes, some have dark brown eyes, yes, some of them have grey or the blue eyes also. So this is the different type of leaves. Some plant, very few plant have different color of leaves also. That is like they have orange or yellow color leaves, some of them have red or purple. They make this kind of leaves. So majority of the plant have the green color leaf, but this is also different shade, light green, dark green. Okay, so these are the leaves. Then we have the flowers, and all the flowers first they are in a form of a bud. Then this bud grows and it forms a flower. Then we have fruits and vegetables which grow on the plant. Now this we studied different parts of the plant. Now these parts of the plant we studied. Now we will be studying the parts of a tree. Now here also they have a stem. ये tree का भी ये stem है, but you can see the earlier slide. यहाँ पे वो stem पतला है. Yes, this is a stem. But now here see, this is also a stem, but this is a thick one. ये बड़ा and it is a strong one. This is known as the trunk of the tree. Okay, same, they also have roots. We put the seeds, they have the roots, they have different branches growing, then all the leaves, then उसमें भी flowers they come, there are fruits growing on that. Okay, this is also the similar kind of the parts of the plant or the parts of the tree, but only the stem is different. The normal small plant have a small and a thin stem, whereas the tree has a thick stem. But you know, climbers and creepers, they are having a very weak stem. This also we studied different types of plants yesterday. We studied about trees, shrubs and herbs, climbers and creepers. Yes, then we also studied about thorny plants, water plants. Then so all these are different types of plants. The grass is the smallest type, whereas the tree is the biggest type of the plant. Now we are going to study the uses of plant. Okay, the main and the most important thing is plants give us food. Yes, now we all eat cereals and pulses. Yes, we all have chapati, rice, dal, okay, kathol items. So ये सब हमारा main खाना है. We get it from the plant. Then we have fruits and vegetables. वो भी it is main part of our diet. So that also we get from the plant. Okay, so main part of our food we get it from the plant, and in our day-to-day thing what we eat, that thing is obtained from the plant itself. All our cereals, like we have studied the chapter our food and food habits. Yes, आपको सबको याद है, हम लोग ने पढ़ा था about different type of food items what we get from the plants, the cereals, the pulses. We should eat properly, we should not waste the food. ये सब टीचर ने सिखाया था, आपको याद है आपको? If you don't remember, you can just go through the previous audios अगर आपने save करके रखा होगा, because I don't have it, so I cannot send you again. Okay, so if you have it, you can listen to that also. So we studied about cereals, pulses, different types of food what we eat. Yes, so all that things we are getting it from the plant. The main thing is the food. हमें daily चाहिए, तो वो daily का requirement who fulfills that? It is the plant. So these are the different things we get from the plants. The first one is fruits and vegetable or the food. These two things, it is the most important thing. Our main food is made up of plants. Fruits, vegetables also we get from the plants. Then we have some occasions, events है तो we need flowers. अगर हम कोई पार्टी में जा रहे हैं we need flowers. So those flowers are also obtained from the plants. Then the tree trunk is cut, तो वो उसमें से हमें wood मिला. That wood is used to make the furniture. You can see the furniture, sofa, then there's side tables, then chairs. ये सब there are different furnitures. हमारा wardrobe, the table, the center table, the wall unit, showcase, shelves, ये सब kitchen shelves, racks, shoe rack. तो ये सब are different furnitures. So ये सब furniture wood से बनता है and we get from the plant. Okay, then ये wood से हमारी पेंसिल भी बनती है. You can see आपके सबके हाथ में एक पेंसिल होगा. Yes, the outer अंदर से वो जो ब्लैक कलर से जो हम लोग लिखते हैं that is something else. वो lid है. और जो पेंसिल का आउटर कवरिंग है, जो लिड को हम लोग जिसको पकड़ते हैं, that is also wood. Okay, pencils are also made from wood. फिर हम लोग जो पेपर पे लिखते हैं, okay, that picture something now teacher is telling you यहाँ पे पिक्चर में नहीं है. What paper we use to write, that paper is also made from the wood pulp. ये जो wood होता है उसका pulp बनाते हैं, मतलब उसका एक पेस्ट जैसा बनाते हैं from which the paper is made. Okay, then we have the oxygen. We all breathe. Yes, हम लोग सब breathing करते हैं. So when we are breathing in, we take inside the air. और वो air में क्या है? We have oxygen. Okay, so that oxygen we get from the plants and the trees. If it is not there, if it will be very, very difficult for us to breathe if we don't have plants around us. Okay, so this is very, very important thing what plant they give us. Then we have medicines like plants like tulsi. Then we have ginger. अदरक का plant है. अदरक भी एक दवाई है. Then we have garlic, lasun. That is also a type of a medicine. Then we have eucalyptus, nilgiri. ये सब there are adulsa. ये सब are the different type of plant leaves which are used for our medicine purpose. Okay, the Ayurvedic medicine. Yes, the Ayurvedic medicine हमें plants से मिलता है. Then teacher talked about food earlier. Cotton. ये जो cotton का flower है, this cotton flower also grows on the plant. And ये cotton को निकाल के it is processed is in the machine. उसमें से धागा बनता है and then this thread is used to make the cotton clothes. And cotton clothes we wear in the hot summer season. Yes, and cotton looks very smart. Cotton clothes, they look very smart on us. We have to take care of them. We need to iron them properly. We need to wash them properly. But they are very good and very, very comfortable to wear, the cotton clothes. And this cotton is also used to when we have any wound, हमें कुछ लग गया है, so we put the Dettol on the piece of a cotton and then we rub on the wound. हमारा जो भी लग जाता है कभी, wound is जो भी आपको चोट लगती है, so we can put that cotton on that wound also. Then we have rubber. Rubber is also obtained from the plant and the trunk of the tree. Then that rubber, it comes like a juice. फिर वो juice को factory में लेके जाते हैं. They process that. उसको ऊपर they put they put some chemicals and then they process that and then the rubber is made and that rubber is used to make the tire covering this thing. Then हमारा जो eraser है, that is also made from the same pulp. Your rubber bands, जो पतले वाले rubber bands आते हैं, that is also made up of the same thing. Okay, so these are the different uses of plant. We get paper, we get pencil, we get our daily food. Then fresh air, वो यहाँ पे नहीं है. The fresh air what we get is from the plants. The fresh air to breathe when we go out somewhere. तो जब भी आप जहाँ पे garden के आजू बाजू में जाओगे, तो you will enjoy that kind of an atmosphere because we get fresh air near the garden or where there are lots and lots of plants. Then we get rain. because of the plants we get rain. Yes, this thing is very very important. अगर plants नहीं है तो we won't get the adequate amount, मतलब correct amount of rain नहीं मिलता. So that is also very very important for us. Then trees are also the shelter of some animals. Yes, जो birds होते हैं, birds कहाँ रहते हैं? They live in the nest. But ये nest कहाँ पे होता है? Yes, it is on the trees. तो trees उनका घर है. And many animals like deer, elephant, giraffe, zebra, जो grass eating animals है, they live under the tree. Tree के नीचे रहते हैं. The snakes, the monkey, ये सब ट्री के ऊपर नीचे ही रहते हैं. तो ट्री ये सब एनिमल्स का, इंसेक्ट्स का घर भी है. तो ट्री इज ऑल्सो द शेल्टर ऑफ दीज animals and birds and insects. So trees are very very important to us and we must take care of them. So what are the points to remember? Do not cut the trees unnecessarily. अगर आपको कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं कर रहा है तो let the tree be there. Okay, do not cut the tree unnecessarily. Okay, because of the trees we get a lot of things. The fresh air, सबसे important nowadays is the fresh air and we get it from the tree. Then we all have to take very very good care of all the plants and trees which are around us. Many times आपके घर में भी plants होंगे तो daily उनके साथ रहो and talk to them. If you talk to them, they grow very nicely. Okay, then you should talk to them. अरे वाह, you're such a nice plant, you're so good, you're so healthy, and see the difference. थोड़े ही दिनों में you can see the difference of that plant. वो इतना अच्छे से grow करेगा. Okay, daily water the plant, then daily put some nice kind of हम लोग कैसे खाना खाते हैं, same way you plant also have their food. That is called there are some medicines that they are known as fertilizers. So you can bring that also. Okay, that also you can put. नहीं डालोगे तो भी it's okay, but if you get them, that is also good. Then plant more and more trees around us. अगर आपके सोसाइटी में आप जगह है, if you have a balcony और वहाँ पे जगह है, so please everybody, all of you grow some plants. Okay, so that will give you fresh oxygen. आपके घर पे ही आपको fresh oxygen मिलेगा. And plants and trees are man's true friend. Yes, oxygen जैसा सबसे important thing we get it from our plants. So that is very very important for us. So each and everybody will grow a plant. Okay, and they are our best friends. So this is your home assignment for today. Take a small pot in your house. आपके पास कोई भी waste plastic का डब्बा होगा. Yes, put some soil in that and everybody is going to grow a plant today. Okay, and this procedure you will shoot the video and you are going to send it to me. Taking a pot, putting the soil, then putting some seed and then water it and keep it near your window. Okay, window के पास रख दो. Daily water the plant and you are going to tell me what happens to your plant. Okay, and you are going to send me the pictures of your plant. मुझे कोई भी पुराने plant का picture नहीं चाहिए. You are going to grow a plant. Okay, it can be anything. आपको चिली का डालना है तो चिली के सीड्स डाल दो. ओके, तो दैट विल हेल्प यू ऑल्सो. मम्मा को भी हेल्प करेगा. व्हेन यू पुट द वाटर डेली, वो ग्रो करेगा तो उसमें से आपको चिलीज मिलेंगे. इफ यू हैव करी लीव्स, तो कुछ भी जो घर का भी चीज आप ग्रो कर सकते हो. ओके, बट डू दिस होम असाइनमेंट. दिस इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर अस. ओके, सो थैंक यू माई डियर चिल्ड्रन. यू आर गोइंग टू स्टे होम एंड स्टे सेफ. Do the home assignment nicely. You're growing a plant. You're going to shoot the video and you're going to send it to me. Okay, the next class I'm going to tell you who all had sent me the videos. Okay, so before that you're going to do it very very nicely. And teacher misses you a lot. Bye bye my dear children. Have a nice day.